If you cannot add cash on delivery options on some pin codes, then this video will help you to figure it out. To do this, I installed the cash on delivery app from the Shopify app store. You can also download it. After installing the app, go here, block COD for pin codes. Then select the payment method, cash on delivery, and type the pin codes. You can type manually, but one thing you need to remember here is after typing a pin code, you need to use a comma, then type the second pin code without giving any gap between them. You can also add your CSV file here. After that, enable the status from here and save this. Now go to the online store and select the product to purchase. You can see the cash on delivery option is available. But if I copy and paste a pin code from the list, you can see the cash on delivery option is unavailable. So in this way, you can do this very easily. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.